Yeah, and it doesn't matter what product we're talking about. I mean, it feels like everything is going up. I was just at the store the other day and the guy said, oh, wait till next week. We're getting ready to raise prices again.
Oh, no.
At a different store. Yeah, so
All
you'll
right.
be hearing about more, I'm sure.
I was going to say, right? More
Yeah,
and more.
yeah.
All right, some good downpours, Sarah, and this timing is great. You know, we're talking fireworks and the 4th of July. I'm really glad we're going to be dampening the ground heading into Friday. Let's get right to radar, show you what's happening. Nothing severe. Going to start right there. And our weather impact alert, more for Saharan dust. Okay, so we're really not looking at too much of a problem with that, and air quality is okay because of what you're looking at. Some rain right on time, so that's knocking that dust right out of the air. No big worries there. So some very heavy rain right now over Helotes, extending down to Highway 90, extreme far west San Antonio with this, and that's been the healthiest in the county. You know, as this rain's been moving in, it's kind of dying down a little bit. You can see what's happening right here as it was heavy near St. Hedwig and dying out near Live Oak. No lightning until you get east of Seguin, pretty much in between Seguin and Luling. Farther west down Highway 90 for some more rain heading into Hondo. But as I mentioned, it's this little pocket right here extending just now to the west of Leon Valley. So this is going to be ending pretty soon in Helotes. Leon Valley, your rain's ending soon as well with just some light pockets expected because look, down to the south, you can still see a pretty good mass of light to moderate rainfall. It'll just be a steady light rain for southern Bexar County for the next hour. Notice as we go east, these are heavier pockets near Cuero up towards areas west of Gonzales right now, and then out to the west for Uvalde. You're just starting to get some of this rain out towards Brackettville and Del Rio. So working our way into the evening hours, future radar shows how things will eventually start thinning out 6:30 and 7 o'clock. Overnight, we're quiet again, but we're starting right back up tomorrow morning. Here's 8 a.m. from Cotulla up towards Uvalde. Pockets of heavy rain, not into the city though, until probably tomorrow afternoon. This hour at the earliest, but this is 5 to 6 p.m. where we're expecting some heavy pockets of rain on the Tuesday rush hour. And then look at this, Wednesday morning, another impressive wave. And notice the trend is really west of the city. We're kind of on the easternmost portion of what would develop. This is all from Barry. Barry was named yesterday minimal tropical storm. Now the remnants are inland. It's not going to strengthen, but it's just throwing a ton of western Gulf moisture north and into South Texas. And for the next 36 to 48 hours, we'll deal with it. Now, tropic-wise, we got a low chance, 20 to 30%, what you see in the eastern Gulf develops into what would be Chantal, our next storm. All right, a live look around town. You can see the rain clouds up near Morgan's Wonderland Camp now. Downtown clearing out as the rain is ending. Top of the show, the visibility was 0 into the skyline. Look at this. Lackland Air Force Base getting the rain at 75, downtown dry and 92. Or I'm sorry, this is not downtown. This is actually the airport temp, 92, same at Timberwood Park. So pretty big difference when you're getting that rain. All right, speaking of which, over the next 7 days, we definitely have some chances. 20 to 30%. I'm going to go 40% Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We're not expecting anything severe, but there will be pockets of heavy rain. And because it's tropical, localized flooding is going to be possible. Rain chances will start to wane by we get into 4th of July Friday, Saturday the 5th, only looking at a 10% chance on both of those days. Highs are getting closer to 98 as we begin the first full week of July. That's going to be the 6th. And you can even see a 102 waiting for us Thursday, July 10th. So a reminder, Project Cool in full swing, and we need fans. Please drop off a brand new box fan to any San Antonio fire station, or if you know someone or yourself that needs a fan, call the United Way at 211. Sarah?